everyone, welcome to another episode of Campbell's Coins. I'm starting a new segment called My 2 Cents. The goal is to throw out my 2 cents of information in 2 minutes or less. This could be some advice, answers to a viewer's question, or something in between. The goal is to remain within 2 minutes, but we may go over from time to time. Let's throw 2 minutes on the clock. A question has arisen a few times in the comment section regarding assays or original mint packaging. Do I keep my bars and coins in their assays or can I cut them out? My answer to this has always been keep them in the assay. But price-wise, does it really matter when you sell said coin or bar to an LCS? So I took this question to my LCS. I set up the premise. You have two customers, one with 1 pamp gold bar in assay and another with a 1 ounce pamp gold bar but not in the assay. Will the cutout gold bar receive less? Here was their reply. Assayed gold cut out of the assay packaging will fetch $20 to $30 less than the assay counterparts. But wait, there's more. If the cutout gold is mishandled or damaged, it can receive 2 to 3% less than the one that is cut out but not mishandled. The question was asked in regards to 1 ounce gold pamp bars, but it really applies to any assayed coin or bar regardless of gold, silver, or platinum. So when you see raw bars for sale from an online dealer, really scrutinize the price. Most of the time, it's not that much cheaper than its assayed counterpart. A truth that applies to many things is keep it wrapped. More so, keep it in good shape. You might be one of those people saying, I don't care, I'm never going to sell my stuff. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe down the road you have to sell it, or you decide to sell because you have a duplicate. You want to get the most money for your item. Let's say you leave your collection in your will and your family decides to sell it. They could get more money. The same goes for COAs. What do you think of assayed and original mint packaging? Do you remove the packaging or do you keep everything together? What is your reasoning for doing so? Let us know in the comments below. I will be putting out a few videos in the coming months from my visit to my LCS. I think you all will really like it. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.